So you're one of those people that love smashing but get no result. Understandable, you don't have that much experience. We're talking about badminton, we're talking. So today we're gonna tell you the 5 mistakes you're making that's not creating angle in your smash and how to fix that so that you have an effective smash every time. The first mistake that you're making is you're not creating enough elevation in your smash. 1 is to jump. 2nd, higher elevation in your standing position. So a lot of you right now are smashing. When you're smashing, you're just standing in a position and you're going boop, just forward like that. Not creating any more height onto your shot to create that angle. Well, the first step that you can do without doing a jump smash is to increase your elevation with a half jump. Now, what that's gonna look like is we're gonna be in our starting position, but right before we hit, we have this little bounce up from our back leg. That does not leave the ground, but is like a half jump that brings our whole body upwards so that we can have a higher point of contact hitting that down. So that is our half jump. Moving on from there, we have our full jump, which is gonna be while we're moving sideways, and then while the bird's coming, we jump up into the air and then we hit. And then of course, our third one, and that's the ultimate one, when we're fully positioned, and that's the full jump smash. Moving fully into position, putting both of our feet together, coming up for that full smash, arching backwards, and then going for that smash. You can do it one step at a time to create more elevation and increase as you get more comfortable. The second reason that your smashes have no angle, and this is gonna be the most common one, that's gonna be your point of contact. Now, a lot of you, your point of contact has a few problems. 1, your point of contact is behind you, meaning it's very hard to bring your arm forward to create that angle. Second of you is your contact point is beside you, meaning you don't have enough height to bring your arm down and high enough to create angle. Third problem you have is your contact point is straight above you. Well, this is not bad, but this is not the most ideal point of contact. The most ideal point of contact is actually slightly in front of you when you're creating more angle. How you can imagine this is when a birdie drops while you're hitting, it should be dropping down to the front of your foot. The most important part of creating angle in your smash, on contact point when your wrist needs to be coming down. You'll see if you keep your wrist in the maximum downward position and move the contact point behind you, this is gonna start raising the face of the racket up. That's why at this position is the best position to get that perfect optimal point to angle your racket enough so that it will go down all the way. The third mistake that you're making is not using your wrist properly. I want to imagine the difference between a cannon and a pistol. We want our angle smashes to be like a pistol, swift, fast, and precise. That means when we smash, especially when we're looking for more angle, we're not going to be doing these huge swings, because huge swings lower our chance of having that concise smash, especially when you don't have perfect technique as a beginner. So what you want to do, focus it on just coming up and focusing on a really small tap smash swing, using mainly your wrist, your forearm, and your fingers while maintaining the 2 points that we had before. Coming up, keeping very concise, imagining a small hitbox right in front of you, and at the last moment, accelerate, pop, and finish with as small of a swing as possible, focusing on the angle, and over time, you can try increasing your power. Now, the fourth mistake you're making might not be your mistake entirely. It might be a problem with your equipment. If your string is too loose, you're gonna find that it's gonna be too difficult to create angle in your smash. String is not repulsing the birdie off your racket fast enough and with enough control and precision to create that angle. I would say you want at least a 25, 26 pound string tension. If you're around 22, 24, it's gonna be very hard to generate a good angle smash with precision. And of course, as you get to a higher level, a competitive provincial level, you can move on to 28 to 30. And that's gonna be so much more control because the string's gonna be tighter, bouncing off the shuttle more quickly and more accurately, giving you that angle. Our last mistake is court position. Isn't this obvious why your smashes have no angle? It's because you're smashing from all the way at the back of the court instead at the front of the court. You want to be in a good position that's around 1 step forward from the double service line. If you're smashing from anything behind here, it's going to be very difficult to have a smash angle. If any, you're not going to have smash angle at all. If you're at this point and forward and you're not having smash angle, then you start applying everything we've learned prior to this point. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Now I need a favor from you guys. I need you guys to start commenting in our videos. We make videos for you guys to help support your growth, and we need you to help us by commenting, liking, subscribing, engaging with others to boost our video up so that we can make more videos for all of you.